Aura is an aesthetically designed foam back chair, distinct and much advanced from a conventional seating. Relatively sleek and more conversable chair as per the modern requirements. Perfect amalgamation of design and technology. It's a family of chairs offering Aura high back, mid back and low back. Indigenously designed high backrest with inbuilt lumbar support. Twist the lever upwards and lift your body to adjust the seat height. Pull the lever upwards to adjust the seat depth. Twist the lever down to lock the backrest in reclined position. Adjustable 3D armrests. Move the arms upwards or downwards. Pivot arm pad inwards or outwards. Slide the arm pad forwards to backwards. Smartly designed seat bottom cover for clean look.